Replacing the spark plug on your scooter is super easy. This one's a 50cc. The 125s and 150s take the same spark plug and the procedure's the same. Let's check it out. The spark plug is located on the right side of the engine, just in front of the fan. Most Chinese scooters take the NGK CR7HSA spark plug. You can replace the spark plug from under the engine, but it's much easier to see what you're doing if you take out the seat compartment. Pull on the spark plug boot to remove it. Use a 16mm socket to get the spark plug loose. Once it's loose, you should be able to unscrew it the rest of the way by hand. Then just pull the old spark plug out. The spark plug tells you a lot about the engine. If the carburetor is giving it too much gas, the spark plug will be black. Not enough gas makes the spark plug tip white. You want kind of a beige color. It looks like I need to tune my carburetor and put some smaller jets in it. Set the spark plug gap to 0.6mm or 24 thousandths of an inch. A little bit of anti-seize will prevent the spark plug from getting stuck in the engine later. Install the new spark plug and screw it in by hand. Get it as tight as you can with your fingers before you use the ratchet. It needs to be tight, but don't go all Hulk on it. The engine is aluminum, and if you strip the threads, you're screwed. Push the spark plug wire back on. You'll feel it sort of click into place. Okay, that's it. Start it up to make sure it still runs. And enjoy the rest of your day.